it's time to have fun with Kitty and Lou.
No.
Hey, Kitty, where are you?
Oh, no. Oh, dear.
Kitty, do you smell that?
What?
The poodoo flowers are out.
No, they're not.
Huh? Yeah, they must be. I'd know that smell anywhere.
Nope. Don't think so.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
But why were you hiding them?
You know.
Oh,
Every year when the puru flowers come out, you go away.
but Kitty, I have to. It's when my whole species gets together.
But you're away for ages.
Just one night.
Can I come with you this time?
You always asks me that.
Well, can I? It's not fair.
I know.
Is there food?
Yeah, there's always a big delicious feast.
A feast? Oh! I knew it.
Hey, I better run. I'm probably late.
Have fun. Don't worry about me.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
What the heck is that? Hey, get back in there. Oh my gosh, I'm leaking. Oh no. I'm not crying, am I? No way. Kitty doesn't cry.
A very special species. We are the Palocheses.
Whoa! Hey, let me go!
Hey, everyone, look! This little lizard is spying on us.
Hey, buddy, I'm a dinosaur.
What shall we do with her?
No one is allowed to see our ritual.
Wait, stop. That's Kitty. She's my friend.
Lou!
You know the spiky little beast.
I sure do.
Does this mean we can't punish her? Oh, what a shame.
If this little dinosaur is a friend of Lou's, there's only one thing we can do.
Punish both of them. Yes.
No. She must be initiated into our secret ritual.
Yes!
She must become part of the Palochese family.
Yes, good idea.
On with the dance!
And then the feast?
Exactly.
A very special species.
A very special species.
Raise your trunks up high.
Come on, Kitty. You're a Palochese now.
Sound a fearsome cry.
We're Palochese!
Raise your trunks up high.
Getting very hungry, Palocheses.
Are we not stretchy?
Stretchy, stretchy.